Welcome back 11th standard students to chapter 1 sets. Today we are going to see exercise 1.5. In that the first subdivision they have given totally 6 sums. Out of those 6 sums I am going to do for you the third one and the sixth one. Okay. So let us see what is the problem. Universal set is given from 1 to 9. A 1 2 3 4 and B 2 4 6 8 and C as 3 4 5 6. Now what is the third subdivision? It is A union C the whole dash. Okay, A union C the whole dash. So in this we are going to find out A union C. What is A? 1 2 3 4. And what is C? This is A. Okay, minus what is C? 3 4 5 and 6. Sorry, it is not minus, it is union, isn't it? Union means you have to write all the elements. Okay, so you are going to get it as 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now you are going to get the complement of this. What is the definition of complement? You have to, complement means you have to subtract from universal set. So from universal set, so you are going to subtract this. Okay, what you are going to subtract? U minus A union C. So what is the universal set? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 minus what is A union C? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So I will cancel out the common elements in both. Okay, and then what I have to write the answer? The remaining in the first set. What is the remaining in the first set? 5 6 gets cancelled, so you will get it as 7 8 and 9. This is going to be your answer, A union C the whole dash. Okay, now we will see the Venn diagram also. In the first Venn diagram I will do A union C. Before that, what is the common between all the three? 6 is common, isn't it? And 4 is common. Okay, no, only 4 is common, so I will write 4 here. Okay, in both the diagrams. So because 4 is in the universal set, 4 is in set A, 4 is in set B and 4 is in set C. Okay, now what about A and B? A and B, 4 I have already cancelled, 2 is there, only 2, so you will get 2 here. Okay, 2 also you can cancel in both. And what about B and C? B and C 6, B and C 6, so 6 also you get cancelled. Okay, and what about A and C? 3, 3 is common along with 4. Okay, so 3 also it gets cancelled. Now what is in A remaining? 1. What is in B remaining? 8 and C 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. What are the remaining elements? 7. 8 is here and 9 gets in the universal set. The same way we will write here also, and then we can go to the shading part. Okay, 3 6 5 8 and 1. Here you will get 7 and 9. Okay, now what is A union C? A union C, you are going to get both the circles A as well as C. Okay, fully the intersection part as well. This is going to be A union C. See, A union C, what the elements you get? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, good. Now A union C the whole dash. Now A union C the whole dash. So what are the elements? 7 8 and 9. Okay, so these two circles you leave and then you shade the remaining parts along with the universal, because 7 and 9 lies in the universal, so you are going to shade along with the universal set, and you are going to leave the two circles A and C. Okay, this is going to be your complement. Understood? So when you shade, it will give you a clear picture what is it. Okay, so for that only I have shown you with the Venn diagram and with the shaded also. Okay, now is it clear? So only which are the elements in this complement? 7, 8 and 9. So in the shaded portion you have got only 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so this depicts this clearly. Now we'll go to the sixth sum. Sixth sum also I have given you the Venn diagram. Let's see what is B and C. B minus C. What is B minus C? What is B? 2, 4, 6 and 8 minus what is C? 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is it correct? 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I have taken the set from the Venn diagram. Okay. So your answer is going to be, you are going to minus, so you cancel out the common elements in both, and the remaining you take it from B, isn't it? What is the remaining in B? 2, 8. Now we are going to write B minus C the whole dash. What is the formula? U minus B minus C. What is our U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 minus what is B minus C? 2, 8. So this 2 and 8 you cancel in the universal set and write the remaining. What is remaining? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. Okay. So let's see. 2, 4, 3, 6. 2, 4, 3, 6. And here you will get 5. Here you will get 7 and 9. And B you get 8 and 1. Okay. Oh God. 8 and 1. Similarly here also I fill it up because I am going to use the same set, isn't it? 8, 5, 7 and 9. Now first you are going to put B minus C. What is B minus C? So it is going to be 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 means leaving the C part, you shade the B circle alone. Okay. Okay, this is B minus C. Now what is B minus C the whole dash? So it is going to be 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am going to shade this B alone, I will leave, and I will shade the remaining. Sorry, I will shade the remaining. Okay, because 4, 5, 6 comes in the answer. Okay, and 7, 9 also comes, so the universal set also you are going to shade. Okay, this is also you are going to shade. So fully I am going to shade, and 1 also comes, so this also I will shade, isn't it? You don't shade like this clumsy. Okay, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 also gets it, and 7, 9 also gets it. You do it a bit carefully. Since this is a video, I have to rush, so I am doing it as clumsy. It looks clumsy, but you have to do it neatly with your pencil and scale. Okay, so what I have left out, this part alone I have left out, and I have shaded the remaining, because 1 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7, 9 is there. So this is the B minus C the whole dash. So if this Venn diagram will depict it clearly. Now we will go into the next question. Second is going to be a homework, and then we will go to the third part. In third part, taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set, write the complements. Here also I am not going to do for you all the sums, because there are 11 subdivisions. Okay, so let us see. In the third subdivision, I will choose some questions alone, 3, 5, 8 and 10. So we will see the third one. Before going into the problem, you have to write what is a universal set. Universal set is nothing but, what is a universal set? Natural number. It starts from 1 and it goes on. Okay. In other words, you can write universal set as set of even numbers and odd numbers, or you can write a universal set as prime numbers and composite numbers, either this way or this way. So it consists of the prime number and the composite number, or you can take it as even number or odd number. Here you have got the multiple of 3. Okay, so it is multiple of 3. You have to find the complement of this. What is the complement of this? So you are going to write it in the same set builder form, x such that x belongs to such that x belongs to natural number, because the given set is natural number, and x is not a multiple of 3, just the opposite of the given one. Okay, that's all. You just add not, that's all. Not a multiple of 3. The remaining is the remaining of the problem is the same. Okay, now next, fifth one. Similarly, you are going to go into the fifth one. Fifth one also the same way. What you are going to write? X is a number divisible by 3 and 5. So again, x such that x belongs to n and x is not divisible. Okay, not divisible by 3 and 5, just the opposite of the given question. Now come into the eighth problem. What you are going to do with the eighth problem? Now eighth problem they have given as a linear equation, isn't it? X plus 5. So let us first solve this one. X plus 5 equal to 8. Therefore x equal to plus 5 goes that side, minus 5, that is equal to 3. So your solution is x is equal to 3. So actually this is x equal to 3. So if it is 3, this I can write it as a set containing 3. Now this 3 complement, I want the complement of this. That means this element should not be there. So again I will write it in set builder form, x such that x belongs to n and x not equal to 3. That's all, over. Okay, similarly we will do the 11th sum. Okay, 11th sum I think is the last sum of this subdivision of this number 3. Okay, 11th one. Here again you have got an inequality, so you have to solve the inequality. Okay, 2x plus 1 greater than 10. So 2x when 1 goes to other side greater than 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. Therefore x equal to, or x greater than 9 by 2. Now see, this is x is greater than 9 by 2. What is 9 by 2? That means you have to take the complement of this, isn't it? Complement for this. So you get the answer as x greater than 9 by 2. What is the complement of greater than? It is going to be less than or equal to. Since here you don't have equal to, you put the equal to sign here. So you will get the answer again in set notation, x such that x belongs to n and x is less than or equal to 9 by 2. That's all, over. So when you look into the sum, you think this is something different and it seems to be difficult. No, it is not difficult at all. When you use all your concepts of your maths, whatever you have learned previously or what you have taught in these lessons, it will be very simple when you just think for a while and do the problems. Okay, students, I hope this video will help you. Thank you. But I cannot stop this video. No.